Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Linkvertise Roblox scripts. We will cover the essential steps to get your desired script running smoothly within the Roblox environment. First, it is crucial to understand that Linkvertise acts as a gateway, often requiring you to complete a few simple tasks before accessing your script. This guide will walk you through each stage, from finding a reliable script to successfully injecting it into your game, ensuring a clear and straightforward experience. To begin, you will need to find a reliable source for your Roblox script. Once you have a link, you will likely encounter a Linkvertise page. This platform requires you to complete one or two simple steps, often involving clicking through advertisements or waiting for a short timer to expire. After successfully completing these steps, the script code will be revealed. It is vital to copy this entire code accurately, ensuring no characters are missed, as even a single error can prevent the script from functioning correctly. With your script in hand, the next step involves using a Roblox script executor. You will need to download and install a reputable executor, ensuring it is from a safe and verified source to avoid any malicious software. Once installed, launch the executor and attach it to your running Roblox game. Then, paste the script you copied from Linkvertise into the executor's text field. Finally, click the Execute or Inject button to activate the script within your game, bringing its functionalities to life. If your script does not work immediately, do not worry. First, ensure your executor is fully updated and compatible with the latest Roblox version. Next, meticulously review the script code for any copying errors. Even one misplaced character can cause issues. For your safety, always use a trusted virtual private network and maintain an active antivirus program. Remember, using third-party scripts carries inherent risks, so proceed with caution and always prioritize your account's security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.